Hi everyone, Boaz here again. Today we're diving into FreeCAD design tutorial. A few months ago, I designed and built a custom wooden shelf with 3D printed elements. Today, I want to upgrade that shelf by adding an organizing system for all our shower essentials. We're starting by taking the necessary measurement for the organizer. After that, I jumped into FreeCAD and started with some FreeCAD sketching until the concept began to take shape.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न
At this stage,
प्रचोदयात्।
the main design is locked, so now we focus on the functional details of the code. I hope you're enjoying the relaxing background music.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न
Once finished, I exported the model into the standard format for 3D printing.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः
Bambu Studio, I set a relatively high strength. I always go with stronger settings for functional parts like this. For my daughter's toys, on the other hand, I use lighter settings to save material.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
And here, how the final organizer look after printing. I think it turned out great. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं धीमहि धियो